Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Tanisha here. Have you ever thought to yourself when you see product review videos what they think about the product after actually initially styling it? And you've always wondered to yourself, well, is the product really the same? That is one of the reasons I actually joined YouTube, or actually started YouTube. I wanted to make a difference on that front and actually give like a more comprehensive product review, because I feel like, especially for girls like myself who live in the Caribbean or who live in a more humid area, you didn't really get that type of comprehensive product review. So that is what I wanted to bring to you guys today. So if you'd like to see a more comprehensive review on the As I Am products, then definitely keep on watching. So you guys would have seen me style my hair before using the As I Am products. I used the Twist Defining Cream as well as the coiling or curling jelly. So these are the two products that I used. If you guys have not seen that video, I will link it above in the cards and down in the description box below. But let's jump right into the review. So in terms of formulation, I would say that these products are really well formulated. The only thing, and to be fair to them, they did specify that on the packaging that you should use this with very damp, I would go so far as to say soaking wet hair, in order to get the best out of the Twist Defining Cream. If you try to use this on damp hair or anything like dry hair, I don't think you'll get the best out of this product. Soaking wet hair, or as they say, very damp hair, works best. You just get the product to emulsify a lot better and you actually feel the moisture that way, as opposed to using it on damp or dry hair. As far as the curling jelly goes, I love the consistency of this product. It's really loose, but for some reason that works. It has a lot of slip, and I think that's what I love about it. It's the fact that it has so much slip. It allows you to really glide through your hair really easily, and that's something I love about this product. I do wish that it was a little bit thicker, just so that it holds your style better, but I think maybe for someone who has looser textures, this would be really good for you. So in terms of formulation, I would actually give both of these 4 stars. So now we're going into the smell of these products, and I can't remember if I mentioned it in the last video, but the smell of these products, it smells like vanilla, like a mixture of vanilla and cocoa butter. That's what it smells like to me anyways. It isn't overpowering at all. It doesn't linger in your hair. I think that these products are really good. They smell really good. I would give it a 4 out of 5 for smell. Yeah. So in terms of moisture, these products, and you guys heard me rave about it a little in the last video, these products provide moisture for days. Like, I had my hair in twist for 3 days, and then even after I took it out of the twist out, it was still very, very much moisturized. So for moisture, I think I would give these products a 4.5, if not 5 stars. Like, they were really good at moisture and keeping the moisture in your hair. And that is kind of one of the claims of the product. It says that it locks in precious moisture as you harmonize your coils. That is on the curling jelly. And for the Twist Defining Cream, it basically says that it minimizes frizz, creates a strong lasting curl and coil definition without hardness, without dryness, and without flakes. Now in terms of the product claims, I do have to say that it definitely doesn't leave your hair dry, and there are no flakes. Like, these products mix really well together. So in terms of formulation, I think that's why I give them like a 4, because they're really good at terms of mixing together, and the consistency is really great. Like I said, this one I just take away 1 point because I feel like it could be a little thicker, but this one, I think the thickness and everything is there. It's just that you have to be mindful about how much water you put in your hair when using this product. Now moving on to definition. When I filmed that last video, I'm not sure if that clip actually made it into the video that you guys saw, but I went ahead and I think I said something along the lines of, I'm tempted to do like a week in my hair to see how long this twist out lasts. So if I do actually do that, I'll come back and put that in the video and let you guys know. And I really wanted to do the week in my hair, but this is as far as I got. Hey guys, so this is what my hair looks like less than 12 hours after I took it out yesterday. As I told you guys, the moisture is there, but because of the glycerin, I knew that it probably wouldn't last me very long at all, especially in the Caribbean. The place is always humid. It was a done deal. So as you can see, there's a lot of frizz that came out. There's still some definition there, but for the most part, my hair is frizzy, and I probably won't wear it down like this. I'll probably either put it up in like a half up, half down kind of situation, or just put everything up in a puff and be done. So just wanted to come back and show you guys what I was working with. Definitely not a lot to go on in terms of a week in my hair kind of situation, because this definitely isn't lasting a week. So that was like literally 12 hours after, and you guys see how much frizz there is in my hair. It's ridiculous. So in terms of definition, and both products say that they are going to give really amazing definition on first day, or like as soon as you now do your hair. So both products say that they will give great definition, and I have to disagree. For me, based on my experience, I found that it gave really great definition. Like as you took out your twist, you guys saw the definition. Like I even raved about it in that first video. The definition on like first day is on point. So for like initial definition, I would say that this product is like a 3.5 to 4 out of 5 in terms of definition, which leads me right on to style longevity. And I feel like having definition and having your style last for a long time, while they may seem similar, they can be vastly different. And this product has a lot of glycerin. Like glycerin is the second ingredient. So if you live in a more temperate country where the humidity isn't really that high, you may probably really love this product and get your twist out or wash and go or whatever it is to last the entire week. Your girl lives in the Caribbean. Humidity is always above 60-70%. This didn't do jack for my hair, as you guys saw. In terms of style longevity, I barely got 12 hours. I think I put my hair up in a puff after that. Like it wasn't even able for me to wear it down after that point. So for style longevity, I'd probably give it a 1. Like there's no way I want to go through all the trouble of doing twists, leaving it in my hair, letting it dry, only to get 12 really good hours out of it. That's just not going to work for me. So it's unfortunate, but I have to give just a 1 star for style longevity. It really didn't last very long at all. 12 hours is not nearly enough for doing all that work. Sorry. Now guys, I couldn't find the price of this product, the exact price, but I do feel like the fact that I bought it means that the price was reasonable and something that I was willing to pay. In terms of the bigger sizes, and I can't even remember or recall if I've seen the bigger sizes in Pennywise, but I do know I've seen it other places. The Beauty Bag, I think, is one of the first places I saw that had these products, and it was in the 120 to 140 range for 8-ounce jar, which is, I would think, for a product that gives so much moisture as this does, I would say that is reasonable. Like I would buy that just for the moisture factor that this product provides alone. So I think for price I would give it a 3 out of 4, just because I can't remember the exact price, but I think that it is something that I could potentially repurchase. Just not for definition. Like I'd use it for moisture. If it pairs well with like another gel that has a stronger hold, I would for sure repurchase this just for the moisture factor alone. So yeah guys, based on the average product score, it will determine whether or not I repurchase these products. I think they're good products overall. It just kind of depends on where you live and your situation. Because certain plays a lot into the weather and different things like that. So if you live in a more temperate country, I would say go for it. This gives really good moisture. Like I said, I still need to see if this pairs well with a different type of gel with more hold. So if it does, then I could consider repurchasing this. But if not, I don't think as something I would look to reach for, just to do like a twist out or that kind of thing. So once it pairs well with other stuff, you'll definitely be seeing this guy again. So yeah guys, I just wanted to give you a really comprehensive product review, and I really like doing these types of videos just because when I was watching YouTube videos, or when I still watch YouTube videos, I don't really get that out of like a styling video or that kind of thing. So I wanted to do more of a dedicated product review video after like I've had or tried the product for like a really long time, and I'm able to give like my full experience or full thoughts on the product. So if you guys like these types of in-depth product reviews, then definitely let me know. Hit the thumbs up button and I'll know that you guys like this type of content. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss future uploads. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.